Yeah, just for me.
You are?
Yeah?
Keep going. Want me to do this one?
Yeah. I can get the next one.
Can you do the end one by yourself?
Yep, the two.
Can you get it in? Remember how I showed you? Slide it in. Push. Can you get it? Open up.
Oh, I can get it.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Push.
Wait. I have an idea.
Would you like to put one in? Ready? Ready? Just go. Good job. Oh no! It's okay. You want it in the middle?
Yeah.
So we go like this. Put all the box in. Except for the middle.
Yeah.
Slide it in this way. I know. I know. You're smarter than me.
Yeah, it's more fun doing that.
It is?
Yeah.
You like playing this game?
Yeah.
I like playing this game. So we got one more box. Push. Ready? Here. Push. Good job. We gotta put this block in there. Push. Good job. Now we put this one in there. Don't hurt yourself. Uh-oh. Gotta pull this side. Ready? Now put it in. Let's put this one. Oh no! Woohoo! High five. Good job. Now we flip it over. Careful. Uh-oh. What's it called? My hair. Okay, so we put this little dude here.
I'm first.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Uh-oh. You put it back in?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, maybe you won't fall this time. Okay, go first. It's gonna fall. Oh. Uh-oh. He fell through the ice. Okay, put him back.
This way, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. Oh.
No.
Oh no! He's gonna fall! Okay, I got this one. Here you go. Uh-oh.
No!
Uh-oh. He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall! Okay. Go. Oh, he didn't fall. Oh! Okay, my turn. Uh-oh! He fell! Say hi.
Hello. How are you? So awesome.
What do you want to play next?
Hello.
What do you want to play next?
I have no idea.
You don't know what you want to play?
Yeah.
There's so much stuff to do in this house, and you don't know what you want to play?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to tickle you.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna have to tickle you. I'm gonna have to tickle you.